Hello everyone, it's Camelsaurus here and welcome back to another review. Today we're reviewing the Papo Dilophosaurus. Now, before we get into the review, let's look at the background information of this epic dinosaur. The name Dilophosaurus means double-crested lizard. It was a carnivore and it had weak jaws, indicating that it lived a scavenging lifestyle. Its length was 6 meters and its height at the hips was 1.8 meters. And it weighed 0.5 tons. It lived 201 to 190 million years ago, also known as the early Jurassic. It lived in western USA, primarily Arizona and China. Well, there we go. Now you know the background information on Dilophosaurus. So let's get into the review. Starting off, as always, with the head. This head does not disappoint. This is a very awesome sculpt. Up to the crest, it has kind of a fiery pattern on it, and it's lined with a black glossy paint. Really stands out the crest and makes it look very flamboyant. The grey coloration with the bright crest really does stand out, and I like it a lot. The paint on this animal is phenomenal. The eye on this creature is so tiny, yet they still added a tiny little pupil to the red eye. Very menacing. Also, the teeth are individually sculpted, and they even added the little notch, which is famous on Dilophosaurus' jaws. Down the figure, we see these nice spikes on the neck. Then, a nice orange line going down the neck, which also, like the crest, makes the figure pop a little bit more. The figure has a very nice theme throughout, with the grey on top and the tan on the bottom, giving it a very naturalistic look, and it's very, very nice. However, for stability reasons, this figure is a tripod. However, we can look over that. Also very nice and very bird-like as well, adding on to the detail of the whole figure, which is covered from head to tail with scales and spikes. I also like to point out this pose. It's very dynamic, and it can serve for hundreds of purposes. Maybe it's stalking its prey, maybe it's fending off a herbivore, maybe it's about to attack another Dilophosaur. The possibilities are endless. Your imagination is limitless with this figure's amazing pose. That's all to be said about the figure. Let's get in to the size comparison. First comparison is the Carnegie Dilophosaurus. These two are in the same family and look very nice together. However, the Carnegie figure is about outdated. It still stands up to today's standards, despite the tripod tail. I would also like to point out, I have a review of the Carnegie Dilophosaurus on the channel. If you have not yet watched it, I recommend you do after this video. Up next, here we have the Safari Limited Dilophosaurus. These two figures look very, very good together. In fact, they look like a mating pair, the Papo being a male and the Safari Limited one being a female. In fact, they complement each other very, very nicely. I recommend if you pick one up, you pick up the other. Last but not least, we have the Papo Brachiosaurus. This really does show how small this figure is and how much detail is packed into such a small figure. My thoughts on this figure are that I think it's a very nice display piece. However, I think it's too spindly to be a toy. Could get broken during playtime, so possibly just a display piece. However, as a display piece, it does amazing. It's a phenomenal display piece. In fact, even if you wanted to, you could use it as a toy, and it would still be an awesome toy, as long as you're careful. Out of 10, I'm going to give this figure a rating of 9. That's right, I really love this figure, and it's my favourite Dilophosaurus figure in the market. Thank you guys for watching this video, and until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.